Hi, so I just got my new graphics card and I wanted to do a quick little unboxing, nothing special, just on my phone, just so anybody interested in this particular graphics card, can get a general idea of what you're getting. And a quick little thing to point out is what I just saw, online registration is required within 30 days of purchase. So, that's something that I'm gonna have to do. So, this is the box, this is the Gigabyte AORUS XTREME card. It's pretty sick, one of the best cards out there. I would say like the ASUS ROG line of cards, and these Gigabyte ones are the best. There we go. I just needed both hands to get this box out of that other box. So AORUS branding, pretty nice and stuff. Let me just open this all nicely, and we have a pretty nice presentation over here. So we have an envelope, which I'm gonna look at later, and a lot of foam, which is very good. And here is the actual graphics card. Now this is kind of difficult, nothing else at the bottom, to do with one hand, so so we got these things in the envelope. You get a little kind of a metal sticker to put on your PC. So yeah, right there next to my ROG one. You get drivers, which you're not gonna use. You're just gonna use GeForce experience. And this is the actual card, and it's looking very, very nice. So just look at that. This card really is a work of art. These are the ports. You have DisplayPort, HDMI 2.0 DisplayPort, another DisplayPort, and this is a USB Type-C connector, which I believe is used to send video signal as well as power to a VR headset combined. And let me just turn it over. It's pretty heavy, and this is the backplate. So they have this whole thing about how this backplate thing is supposed to help cool the card. It doesn't really work that way, but it looks very cool. So that's very nice. This is the AORUS logo. Of course, it's gonna go into your PC like this, and you're gonna be seeing this RGB logo, and as well as this one on the side. And there's also this on the front, but this cooling system is actually gonna be pointing down, so you're probably not gonna see it, at least in most cases. So yeah, this is the graphics card. This is all that you get. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing for anybody looking to buy this particular version. So this is the RTX 2060 AORUS Extreme Edition. Very, very good card. I think that right now it's probably the best RTX 2060 you can get, as far as I know. So that's great. I'm gonna go and swap out my old 770, and yeah, thanks for watching. And if you have any more questions for me about the card, leave them in the comments. And also I'm gonna put in the description of the video the link to the website where you can check out all the specs and everything for this particular card, because they have a very nice website. Like this card is supposed to have quite a few different technologies that really help with everything. So it has 3 fans. This one actually spins the other direction as these two, because that supposedly makes better cooling. What else? It has more power rails, I believe. It's gonna be kind of better for overclocking. I guess it should improve longevity of the card. It's, I believe, supposed to have some sort of a coating on it, so it's a little bit water resistant as well, and stuff like that. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and that's it.